The power of your subconscious is beyond all measure. It inspires you, it guides you, it calls up vivid scenes from the storehouse of memory. Your subconscious controls your heartbeat and the circulation of your blood. It regulates your digestion, assimilation, and elimination. So when you eat a piece of bread, your subconscious mind transmutes it into tissues, muscles, bone, and blood. These processes are beyond the ken of the wisest people who walks on this earth. Your subconscious mind controls all the vital processes and functions of your body. It knows the answer to all your problems. Your subconscious mind never sleeps. It never rests. It is always on the job. You can discover the miracle working power of your subconscious by plainly stating to your subconscious prior to sleep that you want a specific thing accomplished. You will be amazed and delighted to discover that forces within you will be released that will lead to the result you wished for. Here is a source of power and wisdom that puts you directly in touch with omnipotence. This is the power that moves the world, guides the planets in their course, and causes the sun to shine. Your subconscious mind is the source of your ideals, aspirations, and all your desires. It was through the subconscious mind that Shakespeare perceived and communicated great truths hidden from the average man on his day. It was through the subconscious mind that the Greek sculptor Phidias gained the art and skill to portray beauty, order, symmetry, and proportion in marble and bronze. Whatever thoughts, beliefs, opinions, theories you write, engrave, or impress on your subconscious mind, you will experience them as the objective manifestation of circumstances, conditions, and events. Remember, what you write on the inside, you will experience it on the outside. You have two sides to your life, the objective one and the subjective one, the visible one and respectively the invisible one. Your thought is received as a pattern of neural firings in your cerebral cortex, which is the organ of your conscious reasoning mind. Once your conscious or objective mind accepts the thought completely, it transmits to the older parts of the brain where it becomes flesh, and that's when it gets manifested as your experience. Your subconscious mind cannot argue with you. It just only from what you write on it. It accepts your verdict on the conclusion of your conscious mind as final. This is why you are always writing on the book of life, because your thoughts become your experiences. William James, the father of American psychology, said that the power to move the world is in your subconscious mind. Your subconscious mind is one with the infinite intelligence and boundless wisdom. It is fed by hidden springs and is also called the law of life. Whatever you impress upon your subconscious mind, the latter will move heaven and earth to bring it to your pass. You must therefore impress it with the right ideas and constructive thoughts. The reason that there is so much chaos and misery in today's world is that so many people do not understand the interaction of their conscious and subconscious mind. When these two principles are in accord, in concord, in peace, and in synchronicity together, you will have health, happiness, peace, and joy. There will be no more sickness or discord when the conscious and the subconscious mind work together harmoniously and peacefully. In other words, whatever you impress in your subconscious mind becomes expressed on the screen of space. The same truth was proclaimed by Moses, Isaiah, Jesus, Buddha, and many more enlightened teachers. If you think negatively, destructively, and viciously, these thoughts generate destructive emotions that must be expressed and must find an outlet. These emotions, being of a negative nature, are frequently expressed as ulcers, heart troubles, tensions, and anxieties. What is your idea or feeling about yourself now? Every part of your being expresses that idea. Your vitality, body, financial condition, friends, social status represents a perfect reflection of the idea you have of yourself. This is the real meaning of what is impressed in your subconscious mind and what is expressed in all phases of your life. We injure ourselves by the negative ideas we entertain. How often have you wounded yourself by getting angry, fearful, jealous, or vengeful? These are the poisons that enter your subconscious mind. Remember that you were never born with this negative attitude. So starting now, feed your subconscious mind with positive thoughts and constructive ones. And you will see that you are wiping out all the negative patterns lodged within your life. As you continue doing this, all the past, all the traumas will be wiped out and remembered no more. Worry, anxiety, fear, and depression interfere with the normal functioning of the heart, lungs, stomach, and intestines. Today, the medical community is just beginning to appreciate how serious so-called stress-related diseases are. The reason is that these patterns of thought interfere with the harmonious functioning of your subconscious mind. When you feel physically and mentally disturbed, the best thing you can do is to let go, relax, and still the wheels of your thought process. Speak to your subconscious mind. Tell it to take over in peace, harmony, and divine order. You will find that all the functions of your body will become normal again. Be sure to speak to your subconscious mind with authority and conviction. It will always respond by carrying out your command. The first thing to realize is that your subconscious mind is always working. It is active night and day, whether you act upon it or you are not acting upon it. It is active night and day, whether you act upon it or not. Your subconscious is the builder of your body, but you cannot consciously perceive or hear that inner silent process. Your business is with your conscious mind and not your subconscious mind. Just keep your conscious mind busy with the expectation of the best and make sure the thoughts you habitually think are based on things that are positive, lovely, true, honest, and harmonious. Remember, as just water takes the shape of anything, any container, any pipe it flows through, the life principle in you flows through you according to the nature of your thoughts. Claim that the healing presence in your subconscious is flowing through you as a harmony, health, peacefully, and with joy and abundance. Think of it as a living intelligence, a lovely companion on the way. And do firmly believe that it is continually flowing through you, inspiring you and prospering you. It will respond exactly this way. And it is done unto you as you believe. Remember these ideas that are worth remembering. Your subconscious mind controls all the vital processes of your body and knows the answer to all your problems. Prior to sleep, turn over a specific request to your subconscious mind and prove its miracle power to yourself. Whatever you impress on your subconscious mind is expressed on the screen of space as conditions, experiences, and events. Therefore, you should carefully watch all the ideas and thoughts entertained in your conscious mind. Remember, the law of action and reaction is universal. Your thought is action, and the reaction is the automatic response of your subconscious mind to your thoughts. So watch out your thoughts. All the frustration is due to unfulfilled desire. If you dwell on obstacles, delays, and difficulties, your subconscious mind will respond accordingly, and you will get more obstacles, more blocks going forward. The life principle will flow through you rhythmically and harmoniously if you consciously affirm that I believe that my subconscious mind is having that power to fulfill my desires through me. You can interfere with the normal rhythm of your heart, lungs, and any other organs by worrying, having anxiety and fears. So feed your subconscious mind with the thoughts of harmony, good health, peace, and you will see that all functions of your body is becoming normal again. Always keep your subconscious mind with the expectation of things, positive things that has already happened. Visualize the happy ending or the solution to your problem and feel the thrill of accomplishment. And remember, what you imagine and feel will be accepted by your subconscious mind, and it will bring it to reality. So how do you wake up the subconscious mind? An interesting fact is your mind makes nearly 90% of your decision in the subconscious state. Also, you are not fine because you don't know how your subconscious is defining your well-being. If your subconscious is awakened, you will feel a burst of positive energy in your mind, body, and soul. You will have a positive outlook in your life, and you can energize yourself for your day. You can achieve your dreams regarding your career, life, relationships, etc. using your subconscious mind. The Silva mind control method allows you to awaken or reprogram that subconscious mind. Now coming to the main questions, how can we wake up the subconscious mind? So, any mind control technique will begin with calming, with relaxing you, and with a stable environment. And you need to master the art of relaxation. That is, you need to go to the alpha state. At Silva Method, alpha state is the same state when you feel sleepy or drowsy, when you wake up at the morning, and at that time when you feel sleepy at night. Silva meditation takes you to that alpha state. You can meditate using numerous ways. You can choose the one which is best for you. You have to focus on your breathing, count the numbers, and control the rhythm. Well, this requires a lot of practice, so don't expect it will happen in a snap. If you have mastered the first step, that is controlling your breaths, now it's time to master the second step, that is connecting to your subconscious mind. This is a very difficult stage to cross because our lives are full of negativity. And with our conscious mind, we used to analyze things very vividly. Empower your mind with words as I can and I will. You have to fill your mind with positive thoughts, beliefs, and imagination. Yes, imagination and visualization does play a critical role in this regard. So let's take any situation in your mind for now. For example, getting a job in your dream company, or finding the best partner of your life. Imagine that you really want this situation, the one which makes you happy. And then, while meditating, You have to believe that your desire has come true. Expect that you have earned that same job which you were truly desiring. You have met with that partner